Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if File Explorer working very slow or lagging on your Windows 11 PC folder, taking too much time to open. Don't worry, you are in the right place. I'm going to show you step by step working solution. Okay, so first what you need to do, you need to restart your File Explorer. This often fixes temporary glitches. Okay, to restart your File Explorer, hold Control key, Shift key and then press escape from your keyboard. It will open the task manager and here you need to search Windows Explorer. Okay, press W from your keyboard and find out Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on restart. So it will restart your Windows Explorer, means File Explorer. Okay, second method is this guys. Now you need to clear the Explorer history. Too much cache history can slow down your File Explorer. That's why you need to clear this. To clear this guys, open the control panel on your PC and go to File Explorer options from here, and here you can get the option clear File Explorer history. Just need to clear this. Okay, this is the second method. So third method is this guys. Now you need to optimize your folder type. If a specific folder taking too much time to open, you need to optimize this folder. First you need to find out that particular folder, right click on it and go to the properties. Okay, and now open the customize tab and here you can get the option optimize the folder. For extend this, from here you need to select journal item, click on apply and then click on OK. Now close the settings. Now move to the next method. Now you need to disable the quick access. Quick access can slow down over time. Here how to turn it off. So open the File Explorer, Windows Explorer, go to three dots. From here open the option, from the open File Explorer to select this PC, and here you need to uncheck this both option. First you need to uncheck show recently used file and second you need to uncheck show frequently used folder. Click on apply and then click on OK. That's it. Now move to the next method. Now you need to disable the right click menu extension. Slow right click menu that usually third party extension causing this trouble. Okay, to disable this guys, you need to install the third party tool shell xview from the Google. So if you want to skip, you can skip this method. So now you can try the sixth method. Now you need to fix the indexing issue on your PC. To fix this guys, once again open the control panel on your PC, go to indexing option from here and open it. Click on modify and click on rebuild to reset the index. That's it. Okay, after doing this guys, close this. Try the seventh method. Now you need to clean boot your Windows PC. Third party apps might be interfering with File Explorer, so after you clean boot your PC, it will fix this issue. To clean boot your PC, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to search msconfig and then hit enter from your keyboard and go to services type and click on hide all Microsoft services, select it and disable, click on disable all. That's it. Now you can close this and restart your PC one time. After restarting, try the next method. Now you need to update your PC. To update your PC, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates and update your PC. After updating, one more thing, you need to update your driver as well. Go to advanced option, go to optional updates, go to driver updates. Especially you need to find out and update your graphic card driver. Okay, if the graphic card driver update is showing here, select it, download and install it. That's it. Okay, now move to the ninth method. Now you need to disable the unnecessary animation and effect to speed up things on your Windows PC. To disable these guys, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type sysdm.cpl and hit enter and go to advanced option, go to performance setting like this, and here you need to select adjust for the best performance. Click on apply and then click on OK. That's it. Okay, try the last and 10th method. Finally, let's clean your drive and scan for disk issue. To clean your drive, you need to use your command prompt. Press Windows key button and here you need to search cmd, means command prompt, right click on it and open it as administrator mode, and here you need to type guys chkdsk space /f space After typing this command, hit enter from your keyboard, so it will scan your drive and fix the disk issue. That's it. Okay, so try these 10 tips and your file explorer should feel a lot faster. Okay, if it helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.